So here's an update on the whole Antelope audio situation. Long story short, XLR inputs completely gone, nothing static. Contacted support after going back and forth for multiple days. They decided to say, well, it's between $400 to $500. I don't remember the exact quote, but it was definitely between those two. And they didn't even ask for the unit. And that's what got me. Like, you don't know what's wrong with the unit. You're going to charge a set price. At least take the unit, figure it out. Even if you charge a fee just to, like, do diagnostics and tell me, okay, we found a problem and it's going to cost you this much to repair. Even if you have that type of money to burn, it's still not okay. Imagine your TV goes, you take it to the repair shop, TV doesn't turn on, and he goes, no matter the issue, it's $400. It's just a fuse. You could go to the hardware store, replace it, your TV goes back on. Going back and forth, I figured, okay, they're not going to help me. I broke the warranty sticker, used my trusty multimeter, and I figured out the problem within 15 minutes. Two of the op amps are gone. That's it. I have to replace both op amps. It's not going to cost me $400 to fix those. It is what it is. I just wanted to make an updated video. Did get a couple of messages online regarding this stuff and other interfaces that people are having similar issues with. You know, if you have a multimeter, you know how to use it, you're familiar with electronics repair, then yeah, don't be afraid to probe around. Hey, at least the digital inputs and the plugins work. Well, the plugins are a whole different story, but I'll catch you on the next video, guys.